I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G Plus aggregation support test and the 4G Plus speed test comparison between the OnePlus Nord CE versus the OnePlus 9R device. So yes friends, I did receive my OnePlus Nord CE device recently, and I'm doing plenty of reviews on this OnePlus Nord CE comparing with other smartphones as well. And for the past few months, I'm trying to use the OnePlus 9R as well during this time of usage. And let's see which phone will be having the better kind of 4G Plus aggregation. These are extreme indoor type Geo 4G test which I'm going to do right now. So first let's check what are the different bands we are getting in this both phones. So I'll try to use the NetMonster application during this time of demonstration. Let me try to show you friends right now what is happening. So right now in the OnePlus Nord CE device, so this is the OnePlus Nord CE which I'm trying to use. Let me try to slightly focus. So in the OnePlus Nord CE, sometimes I do get the 4 bands. Yes friends, in the OnePlus Nord CE sometimes I will be getting 4 bands as well. So right now this is the OnePlus Nord CE and this is the OnePlus 9R which is coming right now. As you can see, OnePlus 9R which has LTE and 1800 and the 850 which is going on. But sometimes I'll be getting the 4 bands as I said in the OnePlus Nord CE. Sometimes suddenly I'll be getting. So right now you will be able to see friends, in this OnePlus Nord I'm getting 4 bands. As you can clearly see friends, this is a OnePlus Nord which I'm trying to use, and 4 bands I'm getting, sometimes 3 bands. In the OnePlus 9R I'm getting only 1 band. As you can see, 1800 only at this point, at the same place, in the same location. As you can see, 4cc versus single cc. As you can clearly see friends, the difference how much it is, 4cc versus single cc. And now let me try to show you this RX monitor application which I'm trying to show you right now. These are the results. Let's do the speed test. So using the same Jio SIM card, I'm trying to do the speed test at same time. Let's see which phone will be having the what kind of speeds. That is what I'm going to check. So right now the first it got detected in the OnePlus Nord CE device, and then it got detected in the OnePlus 9R device. Let's see what will be the speeds between both phones. I did find the signals are really great in the OnePlus Nord CE. Yes friends, the connectivity is really better in the OnePlus Nord CE. So let's see, in this test we'll get to know which phone has got what kind of speeds. So as you can see right now, these are the speeds, and let me try to start the speed test again at same time. At same time I'll try to do the speed test. In case if you want me to do the download test, so make sure to comment below. I can do the download test as well for you all. Let me try to do the same time testing. So same time I did tap in both phones at same time, and the first in the OnePlus Nord, it's getting the server. As you can see, it went up to 21 Mbps of speeds. That's really great. 21 Mbps of speeds I'm getting friends in the OnePlus Nord CE device. It's fantastic. 19.9 Mbps of speeds in the OnePlus Nord CE. It's really great in the OnePlus Nord. And in the OnePlus 9R I'm getting speeds up to 15 Mbps. That's also good, not bad. 17 Mbps of speeds. That's also great, no issues. So upload speeds are kind of close to each other, nothing much difference. So now I'll try to do the speed test one by one. So once I'll try to do in the OnePlus Nord, and then I'll try to do in the OnePlus 9R device. So yes, once let me try to do the first in the OnePlus Nord CE device. Let's see what will happen in the OnePlus Nord CE. It's loading, and now it got connected, and let's see how much speeds we can expect in this phone. Single by single I'm trying to do the testing. So 21 Mbps of speeds I'm getting in this OnePlus Nord CE, and with the 4 bands I'm getting. That's fantastic in this phone. That's really good. So 20 Mbps of speeds. I think only the OnePlus Nord in my location was able to get this much kind of higher bands together. That's really good friends in the OnePlus Nord device. Even I am really surprised. I did not expect from this phone, from the OnePlus Nord device, I did not expect like this, in this kind of performance. So now let's see what will happen in the OnePlus 9R if I'm trying to do the test one by one. Let's see whether this phone will be able to get that speeds or not. So it's kind of getting that speed. As you can see, it's getting closer. 18, come on, 20, just 20. No, it's trying its best, but it cannot do. As you can see friends, clearly 17.6 is a highest speed recorded right now. You can clearly see the difference between both phones. So overall, in terms of the connectivity friends, slightly I did find better in the OnePlus Nord device. I'm not sure why the connectivity is slightly better. This is an extreme type situation I'm trying to do friends, extreme indoor type situation. That is what I'm going to mention again and again, which is a Jio SIM card. So it doesn't matter how many times I do the testing, it's straight away going to 20 Mbps, straight away. It's no problem at all. As you can see friends, clearly straight away. In the OnePlus 9R, let's see what will happen. So this will be the final test which I'm going to do in this phone, and it's kind of struggling and going, as you can see. But in this OnePlus Nord CE device, the signals are just going away directly to 20 Mbps, as you can see friends clearly. So thank you for watching this video friends, and overall the final conclusion is that the OnePlus Nord CE has got the better 4G plus signals, which is extreme indoor type conditions. It should be perfectly alright to use a OnePlus Nord CE. So you should not be worried at all in terms of the connectivity. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye. Nord CE.